There's my 26, and I just pick up with some golden beets, some okra, a little of everything, peas and beans, and then some herbs and some little cabbages, and then basil, and then little broccoli, and I got some small soup and maybe small salt. Well, I have other stuff in the house, not from the garden, but at least something, so we will see how it will be. It's going to rain, so this is why I'm going to make this video, and then I guess we will have lots of rain. That's what I heard. So I think I will pull out this thing. I don't like this broccoli bush, it's kind of old already. And I put some commoner. Looks like these plants looking healthy. And I just pick up tomato here, but I think this tomato doesn't do very well. I don't know if I'm going to remove it. And my zucchini finally have some little vegetables, and cucumber is doing good, so hopefully we will have cucumbers. You can see little ones, and this one looks like it's getting a little bigger. Hopefully it will not keep falling. I don't know. Here's a pepper, and this one started blooming too, which is nice. And my rose have little blooms. We're still blooming, but no fruit so far. You can see there's flowers and pomegranate, but still they keep falling off flowers. Sometimes I think we don't have enough bees. Well, I was going to make my video yesterday, but my neighbors were so loud, so it was impossible to do any videos. Here's my citrus, getting bigger. These beautiful flowers. Rose is about to be done. It's like very cheerful. Now lemon, and here and there, like they're getting bigger, which is nice. And like daylilies, so almost done, but we will come up more later. And my parsley, which I use for broth, and kale over there, and now a loquat tree, like a small loquat tree. And here roses, lots of roses. And here's my little lime tree. Oh, lime is getting a little bigger. My one lime. Oh, it's going to be a beautiful rose. And I planted aloe vera into the ground. It used to be in a pot, but it's become too big for a pot. And this rose, which I thought almost died, now after I fertilize and water it, it started actually, it's about to bloom, and it has like three beautiful roses soon. Let's see if it's still, yeah, I think it's about to be ready. Mango tree keep growing, getting bigger, but no flowers. And loqua, Probably will have lots of fruit in this one. This lemon doesn't do well. I don't know what's going on. I keep fertilizing it, but it still looks kind of little yellowish. This is just greeny stuff. Here's tomatoes and strawberry. I had a nice strawberries yesterday, and because yesterday I didn't make my video, I have to pick it up. And here's more strawberries, but this one is not ready to be picked. Hopefully we will pick it before bird. There's more strawberries. Looks like it's a different type. So in this one actually I have looks like 2 bushes, while I planted just one, but it's nice. I think it's a different type. And I found this pine tree, so we'll see how it grows from a seed. I found it outside someone's backyard, which is I really want a pine tree, but I never can find. And then I found one, but then it's like removed. So looks like pears. This is cute. It starts raining. So here's some tomatoes and corn and more tomatoes and cherry tomatoes and these peppers. Doing good. Looks healthy. And here I finally remove all this green stuff which no one liked, and I planted salad greens and radish. So, and I put forks because of my cats. And then I also tried to plant some of wheat grass to see how it will grow, just an experiment. It looks like it's growing, so I'm going to plant a lot and then I will do juicing. It's supposed to be very good for you. So here's my cat, and I think it's about it. My fig tree, my dwarf fig tree, is getting bigger, and here's my just one and only. And that's about it. Oh, here's the gladiolus, which is beautiful. More roses. Let's see, it's cute. And my kumquat has lots of flowers. So you might have, yeah, you already can see a small here, little kumquat. Oh, yeah, lots of them. So we will have a lot. And I'll show you when it's get bigger. So we'll have lots of kumquat. It's like one of those trees which actually grow really good here in my garden. And here all my stuff.